Boom! Tactical protection review. Weapon safety. Treat every weapon as if it were loaded. Never point a weapon at anything you do not intend to shoot or destroy. Keep your finger off the trigger until you are ready to fire. Keep your weapon on safe until you intend to fire, and know your target. And what lies beyond when you stop respecting the firearm is when you get bit. Firearms are amazing things, but when you lose respect for them, that's when you get in trouble. They are weapons of warfare. You must always respect the firearm. Never. If you honor one of these rules, if you honor 1.5 of these rules, you avoid the probability that you'll have a catastrophic problem or emergency, such as my man in this video. So we're all buying guns right now. Get training, invest in training. People ask me what gun they should get. The reality is that these days the technology is there. Most guns go boom when you pull the trigger. So find a gun that you think looks good, other than like a high point, and then invest in the most important thing, which is your training. And I'll tell you more about that in the next video. Byron Rodgers, man of peace. Remember, you guys, be peaceful, but not harmless. Boom! Boom! It's finally here. Go to protectornation.com to join the Protector Nation community. Learn online and become part of our Protector Nation family. I look forward to seeing you guys there, and for us all to join forces to make the world a safer place by helping good people to become more dangerous. I'll see you there, and until then, be peaceful, but not harmless.